I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Sun. And as a future CEO, I can tell you one thing. 2022 was the year that changed everything. The launch of our very first product, the Smart #1, was an important milestone in the history of Smart and demonstrated how we see people interacting with it and each other, physically, digitally, and emotionally. Sounds pretty epic, right?
Smart was never just about manufacturing cars, but always about new ideas on connecting people and places. That's why we've never been afraid of doing things differently. We have striven for solutions which not only delight, but also surprise.
Our predecessors successfully relaunched the entire business model. That's why, in the future, I can rely on our highly experienced physical retail network, which is fully integrated in the digital customer journey. So thanks to my former leadership team for persevering at the beginning. Much appreciated.
You probably guessed it. When the future Vice President of Research and Development of Smart Automobile comes into play, it's time to talk future tech. The Smart #1 comes with benchmark connectivity features like a multifunctional app and over-the-air updates. Not to brag or anything, but being one of the first cars to be built on the fully electric SEA platform, the Smart #1 offers an unparalleled amount of interior space.
I'm the future Vice President of Global Sales, Marketing, and After Sales of Smart Automobile, and the Chairman of the Supervisory Board of Smart Europe. And aside from the challenge of correctly reciting my title, we are ready for tomorrow, today.
Because we must admit, there really is no such thing as too early when it comes to shaping the future. That's why, for us, tomorrow is today, and it starts with the all-new Smart #1.
Tomorrow is yours.